EagleRidge Roofing and Construction, your trusted roofing partner in Alta, Utah. Welcome to EagleRidge Roofing and Construction, your premier roofing contractor in Alta, Utah. Today, we're showing you why residents and businesses in the 84092 area trust us for all their roofing needs. Dealing with Alta's weather extremes requires a roofing contractor who knows the local conditions inside out. At EagleRidge, we specialize in creating durable, weather-resistant roofing solutions that stand the test of time. At your dedicated roofing contractor in Alta, Utah, we provide comprehensive roofing services. From installing sleek metal roofs to repairing traditional asphalt shingles, our certified professionals use only the finest materials to ensure top-quality results. Our services at EagleRidge extend beyond just installations. We are the go-to roofing contractor in Alta, Utah for full roof replacements, routine maintenance, and emergency leak repairs, ensuring that every roof is perfect from every shingle to every seam. Facing storm damage? EagleRidge is here to help. We work closely with insurance providers, making us your preferred roofing contractor in Alta, Utah, to manage claims and repairs swiftly and efficiently. Choosing EagleRidge was the best decision for our home. They're not just a roofing contractor, they're part of the Alta, Utah community, committed to excellence. If you're in Alta, Utah, and searching for a reliable roofing contractor, call us at 801-784-1457 or visit EagleRidgePros.com to schedule your free inspection or consultation.